Hello there. So today's topic is DDoS and its features. So how it works at your target host, run a test. Was the test in real time? Is the web interface or API to register your app for testing? It's actually app and it amazingly easy. Will simulate connections your application for the duration, monitor the test in real time, then share the results. So load testing technique identify performance acceptance criteria and identify metrics, identify key scenarios, design specific tests, create a workload model, run tests, identify target load levels, and analyze the results. So it's so load testing tools. There are many load testing tools: Apache JMeter, BlazeMeter, Beats, Getting, Loader.io, Load Impact, Load Runner, Load Test, Login VSI, Neoload, OpenSTA, Rational Performance Tester, Skill Performer, Test Studio, Visual Studio Ultimate Edition, WebLoad. It's all the load testing tools, and here the company name like an Apache, Jakarta, open source project, or Blaze Media Limited. It's all the company name and notes Java desktop application for load testing and performance measurement used for Apache JMeter. Blaze Meter is JMeter computable self-service load testing platform. Then Beats is a service for load and performance testing of website, mobile web apps, and REST APIs in the cloud. So different company and different tool work for different system, different API or REST API. Uh, Many work from cloud, work for cloud, and others work for desktop application. Actually, their work is different. So DDoS attack getting bigger, more frequent. The online threat landscape continues to evolve at an accelerating pace with hackers launching more distributed denial of service attacks than ever before, taking aim at new targets and creating new botnets. Yes, cyber criminals had a busy year in 2012 2020 with rapidly increasing numbers of DDoS weapons, widespread botnet activity, and some of the largest DDoS attackers ever recorded. One of the biggest factors in 2020 DDoS attacks was the COVID-19 lockdown, which drove a rapid shift to online for everything from education and healthcare to consumer shopping and office work, giving hackers more targets than ever before. Because of the haste of this transaction, many of these business and workers turned out to be significantly underprotected from attacks due to the difficulty of maintaining cybersecurity best practices in an emergency scenario. At the same time, the demand for solutions for a wide range of business needs and the rollout of 5G technologies has accelerated. So this is all about the top five most famous DDoS attacks for now. To provide insight into what these attacks are like in the wild, we're going to take a look at some of the most notable DDoS attacks to date. Our choices include some DDoS attacks that are famous for their sheer scale, while others are because of their impact and consequences. First one is the Google attack 2020. On October 16, 2020, Google's threat analysis group TAG posted a blog update concerning how the threats and threat actors are changing their tactics due to 2020 US election. At the end of the post, the company snapped. So DDoS techniques, bandwidth attacks, service request floods, SYN flooding attacks, ICMP flood attack, feed-to-feed attacks, permanent DOS attack, application level flood attacks. So the rise of DDoS attack, you see, it started from 2004 and continuous it running. So in 2005, 6, 7, it increasing slowly. Then 2009 to 2010, it increased huge.